Are you a solopreneur who has so much things to do by yourself? So if you're just a one-man show doing things, repetitive things, like scheduling or even writing an email, well, I got a special solution just for you. And today I'm going to share with you a special AI tool, which is an AI agent, and it enables you to automate everything and which allows you to be more productive and enables you to focus on your growth for your business. If you're starting from scratch, you just need to build your clientele. But what if I tell you you can do just that with Lindy.ai? Well, for starters, Lindy.ai. So I'm going to show you Lindy.ai in action. But what is Lindy.ai? Think of it as a personal assistant. It enables you to automate repetitive tasks, follow-ups, scheduling, and all that jazz, enable you to focus on your growth for your business. And also, it's smart enough for you to integrate to other systems like Slack or even HubSpot. So it is an efficient AI agent that you can think of it as a 24/7 teammate. Going solo as a business owner doesn't mean you have to do everything manually. With Lindy.ai, you can automate all the repetitive tasks and actually run everything on autopilot. How wonderful is that? It can generate personalized emails and follow-ups so you can actually convert your prospects to clients. Now let's jump into the demo and how LinkedIn.ai can help you with lead generation. First things first, let's jump into the demo, which you have been waiting for, and how LinkedIn.ai can help you with lead generation. For those newbies, you are entitled to a trial of 7 days. After that, you can sign up for its subscription package. I'll leave the link down below for you to check out the subscription package. Once you have created an account with Lindy, you'll be transferred to the dashboard first, as you can see from this page. And right out the bat, there's so many selections and options, right? From marketing, meetings to productivity and sales. And for this demo, of course, I'm gonna do the lead generation. So head over to the lead generator and I'm gonna include all the data here. It's important to link to your email address. This is what I've signed up for. All right. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna type in a prompt. Of course, in actual, day-to-day tasks, it's best to use your work email. So for this demo, I'm just gonna use my Gmail for demonstration purpose. And we're gonna type in, the first step is to find leads, which is very simple. I'm gonna type in find me 10 CEOs of fitness centers in Singapore. I need include their contact information. As you can see here, D.ai is creating its spreadsheet. So unlike ChatGPT, Lindy.ai will look for the contact details as prompted in Lindy.ai. So this is an example of agentic AI. Basically, dive deep into the task rather than ChatGPT, which provides all the information that you might not need. So that's the great thing about using AI agent. So as you can see here, I have a list of CEOs here, which is great for a start. So as you can see here, I have a list of the 10 CEOs of fitness centers. This is an example of how unique and great AI agent is, right? You can just generate the leads. All right, so let's use the lead outreacher. This is where Lindy.ai become more than just a reach tool. In fact, it is your personalized sales rep. Like for my case, I used to find those contacts via LinkedIn, find their emails via Rocket Reach. Lindy.ai just did that, via the lead generator. And now I'm going to do the lead outreach as in cold emails. So what I've actually done, let's click on the lead outreacher first. Let's click on this. Okay, which spreadsheet? So this is required. So we have done our spreadsheet earlier. Just make sure you copy your URL. In this case, I've copied this section over here. between D and edit, right? So just this part here, copy it and just place it on this spreadsheet ID. All right. So for our first test run, we're gonna do one example using one of the one of the leads email. I'm gonna send email of the first outreach cold email. Just click on the send email button over here, and I'm just gonna check on whether I receive this email address or not. Okay, so basically I have actually received this as a prospect, of course. This is from Sophie Bliss. So I'm gonna hit a reply. Either I would be interested to be in the call. So let's reply. And of course you can allow 3 days for the buffer. I would recommend you to do just that, 3 days for the prospects to reply. And right on the dashboard, you can see the latest, update on the prospect who has actually replied me. And of course, if you link your Lindy.ai to Slack, which is cloud-based messaging or collaborative tool, this is a great way for you to work in a team environment. And as you can see, the prospect has become interested, and this enabled you to qualify this lead to maybe cold to warm. So this is a great way for you to start lead generation in the simplest form. There you have it, 3 powerful AI agents that can automate your lead generation process. And even you can even sync it to your cloud-based tools like Slack or even HubSpot. Lindy.ai is definitely a great tool for business owners who are looking to be productive and automate their workflows, especially running a business by themselves. And also it enables you to create your clientele. Think about it, you can even cut down all the unnecessary time just to do all these tasks. AI agents aren't here to replace, A1, but you can just take the repetitive work out of your plate and you can focus on your business. So for those who have seen all the demos so far, what task would you automate first? Comment right below and I would love to hear from you. So if you have work with any AI agents, share me some of the cool tools so that I can demonstrate them to our audience and to the community. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more value-added content, and I'll see you again.